Welcome everybody. We are back. 52 has a new home. It's covered. Check this out. Pretty cool. I have not been here for about since the last video I did. It was probably about 4 weeks anyway. So I got the battery hooked up to it. I'm gonna see if this thing will start. I'm gonna do a little. I don't know. Well, there we are. I'm gonna see if I can get it out of here. I gotta pull the hood on it, and it's getting late and it gets dark quicker. So anyway, we'll go from here. See what happens. I don't know if it's gonna start or not. All over glory. Oh, just did this. Yeah, they're not cool. Yeah, I got these. I got these new. Look at these. Whoa, there we go. That's better. That's not better. Anyway, I have not messed with this thing for a while. I'm gonna go get the keys here real quick. Yeah, we got it covered up now. Isn't that cool? Look at that. So it stays and it's dry now. Anyway, I'm gonna come over here and grab keys and see if it'll start. I don't know if it will or not. I gotta roll it out. I'm gonna see if I can get the hood off it. Got a couple hours to play with here. I need to bring some lights in here. So we'll see where that all goes. But yeah, this will be interesting. Last time it died on me. Footage. Let's go. Let's get some light in here. Well, that don't work. I don't even know which is which. I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see what I got going on here. There we go. It does work well. I don't think I have to do it. Let's see if it'll do. It'll probably run. See what we got going on here. Oh, isn't that cool? Yeah, there we go. That's, I have to cut that out. We're getting fuel. We are getting fuel. Maybe we're not getting any fuel. Let's find out. All right, okay. You would think it would get fuel, but anyway. Choke. Well, to start, check that out, guys. I know, I got a flash there. This is that cool. This thing has been running in weeks. She always starts. Anyway. Good video, right? Yeah, it's gonna be freaky in the hair. I can't believe it started. Cannot believe it. I thought I wanted to pull the carpet on it, but I want to get the hood in fixed right there. I can't go out with the hood open like this. We're gonna bring it down. So, see what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna turn this off. welcome everybody. Fix-It Dad here. I'm back. I just rolled out the 52 because I got to pull the hood on it, and we got to rebuild a carburetor on it. But anyway, that all being said, look at that. She's out. She fired right off. This is her new home. Clayton was nice enough to carve it for me, so she stays dry now. So I'm gonna put lights and stuff in here. So anyway, look at the old beast. I can't believe she runs. Can't believe it. Well, I should know it runs, but she runs so good. Purrs like a kitten. And it runs, right? She runs a kitten. So anyway. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. And we'll see if we can get the hood off it. Jesse's supposed to come help me, so we got about an hour before it's gonna get really dark. So figure out where it goes from there. But yeah, she's running great as usual. I can't get the hood out, so I'm gonna have to work on that here in a minute. So I'll be back with you guys in a minute here. Bye. Look at that, it's running again. That's great actually. A little hood pop. Isn't that cool? Just idles. You believe that crap? Anyway, so I gotta take all this stuff apart. I gotta take those off and those off. Then I gotta take those off and those off. And then I gotta take this off and this off. Okay. And this is what broke. Let's see what I can. So I'm on the lookout for some hinges for this, and they are very expensive. So I'm hoping I can find some. I bent the hood up a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it. I'll fix it. But yeah, she just idles. Don't believe that crap. Oh, it is leaking. It is pumping fuel. Wow. It's leaking a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That's all right. I'll take a leak all day long on that one. I don't know, maybe a vapor lock on it. I don't know. I know it's working. That's all it counts. So, anyway, I'm going to get back to you guys here in a little bit. I have to get these two loose. And we'll go from there. But I wanted to start it, see if it starts, and it did. It's getting dark on me here, and I know the lighting's gonna suck, guys, but it's a last-ditch effort. I had some other stuff I had to do too. I hear something's cool. Check this out. See if the lights work. I turned them on last time. Didn't know that's wipers. So check this out. We got one light. This is that one doesn't work. That one works. This one not so much. I think we have a bad valve. So I gotta fix that. Isn't that cool? Dome lights work too, but I do have a tail light out. That sucks. I just figured that out. It did work. Parking lights work. Let's go see if the parking light works. That one parking light follow the camera here, Craig. Look at parking lights. Is that cool or what? Blinker's actually didn't work on it. But brake lights don't work because I got to replace the switch, which I have one, just haven't got it in yet. These things run so smooth. Gotta replace this stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, and we'll go from there. There. I can't believe it started. The old battery just hanging in there. She's charging away. Who she is? Let's see what we got going on here. I don't think the dash lights work. I don't even know if they do or not. Let's find out. Oh, the amp gauge works. Look at that. I don't think the amp gauge works. Dash lights, none. They have to work on that. Wipers sort of work. See, they try. Yeah, they gotta fix that too. The clock don't. The radio doesn't work. The choke works. Blower works. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's. Oh, that's for the lights. I didn't know that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see. What's this for? Indicator lights? What the heck? That's kind of cool. Well, I turned it off. Okay, guys. Get back to you guys in a few. Bye. Ooh, look at that. She's a hot rod now, guys. So we got the hood off. Let me give you. She's in her home. I got another light here. So, yeah, look at the ring. It looks pretty crazy, doesn't it? Anyway, so the hood's there. And there's that. I got no lights in here, but I'm putting lights in. She started right up, so I gotta get that. I got the hood off it, and try that. Yeah, hood's off it, and there's that. Looks like I'm stealing something, but I'm not. It's pretty cool, spooky. So we might have to pull the fender off. So we're gonna see where that goes. I'm not looking forward to that. Everybody knows anything about 52 Fords and the hood hinges, they can give me a shout out or leave a comment on what. Do I have to pull the fender? There we go. I'm back, guys. The camera died. My battery died, actually. Anyway, kind of crazy here. Sitting in the light. The hood is off it. It's a hot rod now. Anyway, back on the fender and the hood hinge. If I have to pull the fender, does anybody know? Do I have to or do I not have to? Just leave a comment if you would, please. Because I have no idea. I hope I don't have to pull a fender because that is not going to be fun at all. At all. Ooh, there we go. That's better. That's probably okay. Because we got rusty old bolts and anyway, so. But yeah, there's the hood. The lighting on this video is gonna suck, guys, but it's all I got. So anyway, that's all I have right now for this. This is a really very short video. It did start, so we're cool, and I'll get back to you guys here. Let me flip this around. Anyway, fix it dead here. I'm out of here. See you guys on the next one. Bye.